Imagine walking into a massive marble-floored skyscraper on Wall Street, sitting across a mahogany desk from a guy in a $5,000 suit, and completely believing the illusion that he is the only person smart enough to protect your money. For decades, the traditional financial industry has weaponized this exact psychological trap, convincing you that investing is impossibly complex, just so you will blindly hand over total control of your life savings. And what do they quietly charge for this so-called expertise? A silent, invisible 1% or 2% fee on your total assets every single year. It sounds incredibly tiny when they pitch it to you, but let's look at the terrifying mathematical reality. Over a 30-year investing lifetime, that tiny leak doesn't just cost you a few $1,000s. It literally drains hundreds of thousands of dollars directly out of your compounding wealth and into their pockets. And the worst part is they get paid that massive fee even if they completely mismanage your portfolio and lose your money during a market crash. Think of the sheer disrespect of handing over a massive cut of your life's work to someone who still gets a guaranteed payday even while you watch your retirement dreams violently shatter. But right now, in 2026, a massive unannounced revolution has completely shattered this outdated system. And economists are calling it the rise of the AI money manager. The financial elite are furiously trying to hide the jaw-dropping fact that they have already fired armies of human analysts, completely replacing them with hyper-intelligent, autonomous AI agents. Massive institutions and Wall Street hedge funds are quietly using artificial intelligence to instantly analyze billions of real-time market data points, flawlessly execute trades, and perfectly optimize risk, all while continuing to charge everyday Americans the exact same exorbitant human advisory fees. They are literally monetizing your lack of technological awareness. It is an absolute betrayal, taking advantage of your trust and your hard-earned capital just to multiply their own fortunes, while you lie awake at night stressing about how to afford your family's future. While I choose not to flash my own personal bank accounts or share my private financial balances online because true wealth is built in absolute silence, my ultimate mission is to aggressively expose these exact mathematical sleights of hand so you can completely bypass the corporate gatekeepers and take your financial power back. The ultimate cheat code of 2026 is that you absolutely no longer need the expensive middleman in the suit. You can literally put his entire institutional skill set directly into your smartphone for a fraction of the cost, or even for free. We have officially entered the era of the personal AI agent, a digital financial genius that doesn't just give you generic advice, but autonomously executes ruthless wealth-building strategies while you sleep. Unlike a human advisor who panics during a geopolitical crisis or gets emotional during a bear market, an AI agent operates on pure cold mathematics. These modern algorithms seamlessly plug directly into your bank accounts, actively monitor your exact spending habits down to the penny, automatically cancel the zombie subscriptions bleeding you dry, and instantly rebalance your index funds faster and more accurately than any human ever could. They constantly scan the tax code to ruthlessly harvest tax losses, legally erasing massive chunks of your IRS bill, and they automatically sweep your idle checking cash into the highest yielding accounts before you even wake up. It is the absolute pinnacle of frictionless, automated wealth generation. Imagine the profound, deep breath relief of finally knowing your money is working tirelessly to protect you and your family 24/7 without the constant gnawing anxiety of wondering if you're being taken advantage of. The massive legacy banks are absolutely terrified of this shift because it completely destroys their most profitable illusion, charging you a premium for basic asset allocation that a machine learning model can now do flawlessly in milliseconds. They desperately want to keep you trapped in the 1990s playbook, trusting human emotion and slow spreadsheets, while they use supercomputers to multiply their own fortunes. To survive and thrive in this massive technological wealth transfer, you have to wake up from the dangerous illusion that paying a high-fee human advisor makes you safe. You need to fire the expensive middlemen draining your compounding interest. Leverage the exact same artificial intelligence technology that Wall Street relies on, and aggressively command your own digital agent to mathematically guarantee your financial independence.
Thank you for watching this video.